Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/24th scale 2001 Mitsubishi Lancer WRC from Airfix. So now let's take a look at what's inside the box. This is the body, which looks really great, but it has some imperfections that I'll have to take care of. This front bumper is really thick, which is very rare for model cars. Overall, it's a well molded body. This kit also comes with a brush, cement and 6 colors. One of the containers is still inside the box and I'll take it out soon. And that's the Heller cement. And that's the 6th container. This is the bag which contains all the parts, and I'll open it in a while. And that's the instruction manual, which I've also linked in the description below. It also includes this Club Airfix membership form and another form for ordering spare parts. These are the decals, which looks really nice, and I'll show it to you in detail very soon. And this is the overview of the instruction manual. So this is the body, which looks really good. You can see the details for the bonnet vents and the grille. The body is really hard and feels solid, but there are a few more lines that I'll have to take care of. And this is the front bumper, and as I've said earlier, it's really thick and it's not hollow inside. So this is the bag which contains all the parts. There's the clear parts, the windshield and the lenses for the lights. This sprue contains the brakes and wheels and also the bucket seat. There are actually 2 of them and both have the same parts. These are the tires, 5 of them including the spare one. There's the chassis, exhaust muffler, headlights, some interior parts, the grille and the rear wing. This is the interior and the wheel well. There's the wipers and the roof scoop and also the rear parcel shelf. And finally, this sprue contains the parts for the roll cage and the dashboard. And there are 3 antennas as well. So this is the decal sheet, and those are for the back side of the seats, which are made of carbon fiber. And these are the seat belt decals and other decals for the wheels and tires, the dashboard and some logos. These are for the front and rear lights, the grille and some other sponsor stickers. And that's the license plate. This is the Club Airfix membership form that I showed you earlier. This is the parts replacement service form, which is written in various different languages. That's the Heller cement, and the colors included are silver, grey, white, black, red and gold. And this is the brush they provide. The exact name for the colors are given in the instruction manual. So this is the instruction manual, and on the first pages there are a few facts about the car written in various different languages. There's general instructions for assembling the car and the parts provided in the kit. The first few pages has instructions for assembling the chassis. There's the instruction for assembling the interior. And that's the roll cage and some parts of the body. There's the instructions for assembling the exterior parts. And that's the positions of the various decals. There's also the flash service form in different languages. So that was the kit. Thank you for watching and see you in the full build video.